What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Therealjetty, and I'm back with another reaction video. Today's reaction is to Simon and Garfunkel, The Sound of Silence, live, Madison Square Garden, y'all. Madison Square. I did one reaction video to them, but I had to do another one, y'all. But before we get into this video, or you get into this video, make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button, smash that like button, and comment something below during this video.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. How come to talk with you again? Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my car to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light.
Simon and Garfunkel, y'all, they always bring a pleasant, relaxing, calming sound. Always. Don't disappoint. I'm always relaxed when I listen to them. I don't ever feel stressed. You play them, I played them, the first song that I did a reaction, I felt the same way. Like, even the audience, they're all like sitting calm, watching. They're very observant. So, and it's kind of like, I kind of like it when they hooked up, like no matter what age you are, or even if you were friends a long time ago, and when you get and link back up to do something great and positive, that's what I enjoy of this. And then it makes me like, that's what this makes me think of, watching them on the stage, both of them on the stage, and they're both singing a duet. It's amazing. Like, man, good friends, y'all. Good friends, y'all. Be supportive too for your friends. Let's get into this video.
That split the night and touched the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. Fools that I do not know, silence cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach out to you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.
Crowd was so calm and collective, y'all. Another great song. Fantastic song by Simon and Garfunkel. The Sound of Silence. But I noticed in the lyrics, it says, "Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains with the sound of silence." That is deep. It's deep. Definitely makes you think. Simon and Garfunkel, you make me think. You make me calm. You make every emotion besides mad come up out of me, and that's what I feel. And I thank you for, like I said, they got back together and linked up. Like, this was in 2009, so that's a great feeling when I know they had a good moment. That was a great moment that they were sharing on stage together. And I like to see things like that. Motivates me to do better. Should motivate y'all too. And if you would like this video, and if you're new to the channel and enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget that. Need every viewer that views this to hit the sub button. And we're going to run it up. It's 2023, y'all. And more blessings to y'all, more life. And hope y'all have a good day.